Asthma is a chronic health condition, and it is just inflammation of the lungs, and it's an allergic response to triggers, your environment. Triggers can be, food. Triggers can be dust mites, allergens. Triggers can be weight. Believe it or not, you're overweight and you're having difficulties breathing. One of the things an asthmatic or anybody who wants to know about asthma needs to deal with and know is asthma. Once you have a diagnosis, you're an asthmatic for life, but you can have a plan in place that's going to help you self-manage the asthma where you're really episode free to a large part. Or if you have an episode with asthma, that you know what to do to make sure that you're not hospitalized or, more importantly, you die. There are 10 deaths a day from asthma nationally. Yeah, asthma, and they're preventable. All you need to do is make sure you work with your care provider. You work with your pharmacist, and I have to say that because I'm a pharmacist, and we're a critical component of a care plan for an asthmatic. And you work together with the schools because the school nurse needs to know that you have asthma, or your coach, if you're um, involved in organized sports, need to know that you have asthma, and your family members need to know you have asthma, so they know how to help you manage that illness. You need to take your medications, know how to take them. Um, Lots of those medications have devices, so you need to know how to use the medication appropriately, and you need to be adherent. You need to take the medication as the way it's prescribed, and if you're not feeling better, escalate that. Reach out to your providers, talk to your providers, so everybody can come together to help you with an asthma plan that works.